Yeah. You can find me on the cliffside. All they do is overlook me. Yeah, if things don't pan out, keep it cooking. You're not a fan, but you keep on looking. Look, don't be concerned with what people saying. Be concerned when they don't care to say it. Funny how people will act like they know you, but they don't even got a clue what they're saying. Don't compare me to people who don't compare.
What's going on, everybody? It's Aaron Cates. I'm coming out with another video today. Now, hopefully y'all like the giveaway video. You guys know from watching that video, this is all the same day. It's literally seconds later. I'm just recording another video. Today, we're finally getting around to building headlights. So I'm going to show you guys how to take them out, how to prep them to be pulled apart and everything. And then we're going to go inside, open them up. We're going to get them prepared to be painted. And then we'll go on from there. So let's get this started. If you've never removed headlights on a 03 to 07 classic Silverado, you just pull this tab. I like to set it somewhere where I'm not going to lose it. And pull the headlight. As simple as that. So you want to remove your bulbs, just like so. There you go. There is the top headlight. Now my lower headlights are a little bit different, because I'm sure a lot of you guys know this problem on these Silverados. Let's see if you can see it right here. See that crack right there? It's actually tape that goes up over top of it. I used Gorilla Tape to try and fix it. I don't know if you can see this. But that whole plastic piece where these snap in is cracked. And instead of spending the $30 to replace this whole core support, I just used a zip tie. And I just zip tie it, and I mean, it works. It doesn't go anywhere. So my way of taking these out is going to be cutting the zip tie. But if yours is not zip tied and you're trying to figure out how to take it out, you would just press in on this tab right here, press in, pull out, slide out of the slot over here, and pull your headlights out. Simple as that. So you want to come in, get the oven set up. $250, start. It'll preheat. Now you want to check to make sure there's nothing extra in your oven. I like to use like a cookie sheet in the front pan like that, and I put a towel over it so when you put the headlights on, it's not straight plastic on metal, so nothing melts really fast. Okay, and really just to get the headlight ready, I'm just gonna make sure there's no metal on the headlight, like besides back here, like these screws. Those can stay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean the bugs off this surface. That way the headlight doesn't look like shit while I'm trying to build it. Okay, timer just went off. You're gonna pull it out. Be super gentle with it. And you always wanna start from where the grill would be. Okay, now that you have this pulled apart, you just want to take it outside, let it sit out, cool off. Repeat with however many headlights you have. I have 3 more to do, so need to repeat 3 more times. So you guys remember when I started the video, how it was nice and bright and sunny outside? Well, now it is raining out here. I'll be doing a light coat of primer, just enough to get something for the base to stick to, and then I'm just spraying base. I'm not doing clear, I'm not doing 3 coats of each or anything like that. So I'm waiting for the humidity to go down, and hopefully I can paint. So I'm not going to show you all too much of painting. You guys understand it. I'm just going to paint. Everything's got a coat of primer on it. It's got 1 coat. Probably going to go over the reflectors one more time. I'm going to go over the turn signal housing themselves one more time. I went super light on these, as you can still see the color through, just because it's a really fine plastic and paint slips off of these really easy. I've had problems in the past. But for the actual hard plastic housings, these are done. Whatever spray gets on them will help out a little. That final coat of primer was just laid. I'm gonna wait 10 minutes for this to dry. We're gonna start applying base. But it looks better in person than it does on camera, to be honest. Now to let them dry. You guys will see them tomorrow. We are back, guys. Back doing headlights with some flash on them. Now I have the reflector back in. Okay, so how I run these wires is super simple. These are just 3M adhesive halos. They stick right on like that. And since I have painted reflectors, I just use the hole for the reflector bulb. There's no sense in putting the bulb in because, as you can tell, you cannot see through that whatsoever. It's painted. So that's kind of pointless. I always just tuck that wire away. Makes your life a whole lot easier to run these wires. This is what they look like all together. Hey guys, I didn't show you putting this halo on or anything like that, but it's the same exact process. Just make sure everything's clean. Take the 3M adhesive film stuff off. Make sure it's lined up, stick it on. Then you want to squeeze these together, and you want to repeat the same process as you did taking them apart. Put them in the oven. Don't do 5 minutes, do 2.5 minutes or 2 minutes. Get it where it's warm, and this, it's called Budol, this rubber sealant they use that's in here. You want to get that till it's like sticky again, and you want to compress this and hold it and see if you can get these clamps to clamp back on, or if you have something you can clamp it together with, do that. What is up, everybody? Headlights are done. All back in the truck now. If you're wondering how to build headlights, here you go. Super simple. Just put them in the oven. Be super patient. Everyone rushes things, and that's why a lot of things get broken. If you don't rush anything and you just take your time and be gentle with things, it'll be super easy for you. I could have had this done in one day if it weren't for paint. Also, this weather doesn't help very much. But thank you guys for watching. Today is the day of the Daytona truck meet. It is Friday morning. Just got the headlights done. I'm fixing the bumper right now. We're gonna head out to Daytona. Stay tuned for that video. I'm posting every single day this weekend. I have a new video tomorrow, new video Sunday, new video Monday. So, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to go down and hit that subscribe button, leave a like, drop a comment, do all that types of good stuff. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.
I pull up, all the kids screaming, whoa. They eyes popping, jaws dropping, looking like they saw a ghost. Red dots on the chops, yeah, my nigga, them on